In this lesson, we're going to focus on example problems of multiplying and dividing fractions. So here we have two example problems on multiplying two fractions. To multiply two fractions, you need to multiply across. 2 times 1 is 2, and 5 times 3 is 15. So that is the answer for the first example, is just 2 over 15. For the second example, we can multiply across, but if we do, 8 times 15 will give us a big number. So to avoid that, we want to multiply these two fractions using the cancellation method. 8, I'm going to break it down into 4 and 2, and 15, I'm going to break it down into 5 and 3. So notice that we could cancel a 5, and we could cancel a 4. Now we don't have any number remaining on the top, so we're just going to put a 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that's why we put a 1. On the bottom, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. And so that will give us the answer, 1 over 6. Now let's work on two division problems. Let's divide 3 over 8 by 9 over 16. And let's also divide 12 over 15 by 32 over 35. When dividing two fractions, you want to use the expression keep, change, flip. So that means we're going to keep the first fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction. Now it becomes like the first two examples where we can multiply across. However, since we have some large numbers, we want to break those numbers into small numbers. I'm going to break down 8 into 4 and 2. 16, I can write that as 8 times 2, 4 times 4. Instead of 4 times 4, the other 4, I want to break it down into 2 and 2. 4 times 2 times 2 is 16. 9, I'm going to break it down into 3 times 3. So notice that we could cancel a 3, we could cancel a 4, and we could cancel a 2. And so what we're left with is 2 over 3. Now, for the next example, let's do the same. Keep, change, flip. Let's keep the first fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and let's flip the second fraction. Now let's multiply using the cancellation method. So 12, we could break that down into 4 and 3. 15 is 5 and 3. 37 is 7 and 5. 32, we can break that into 8 and 4. Let's go ahead and do that. This will allow us to cancel those two 4s. We can cross out a 5 and the 3s. And so what we're left with is, we're left with 7 over 8. So that's how you can multiply and divide fractions. So just to recap, when multiplying two fractions, you could just multiply across. If you have large numbers, I recommend using the cancellation method by first breaking the large numbers into small numbers and then cancel. When dividing fractions, use keep, change, flip to convert a division problem to a multiplication problem, and you know what to do from there. So that's it for this video. For those of you who want more videos on math topics, feel free to check out my website, video-tutor.net.